more details. Now, let's shift our focus to other developments, tracking the latest from the Supreme Court, where yesterday Supreme Court has said that maternity leave is a vital part of women's reproductive rights. Yes, in fact, setting aside the Madras High Court order, Supreme Court has said that the benefits of the also emphasized that the reproductive rights are part of the international human rights law, including the right to health, privacy, equality, non-discrimination and dignity. The court overturned the Madras High Court ruling that had denied maternity leave to a Tamil Nadu school teacher who had 2 children from a previous marriage, stating she was entitled to the benefits. The court then held that under the Article 21 of the Constitution, which ensures the right to life, includes the right to health, reproductive choices and dignity. The court also emphasized the humane interpretation of maternity rights. The court then clarified that there is no bar on the maternity leave based on the number of children. Only the duration of leave is limited under the Maternity Benefit Amendment Act of 2017. It is directed that the teacher be granted maternity leave under Fundamental Rule 101A and ordered that all the admissible benefits be released within 2 months to her. Sambhav Sharma is joining me with more details. Sambhav, as Supreme Court set aside this ruling by the Madras High Court granting the rights of maternity leave benefits to women, arguing that it is vital for the women's reproductive health. What exactly was the hearing and how was the opposition to this plea that came from Madras High Court went like?
Well, the petitioner approached the Supreme Court against the Tamil Nadu government's order, and the bench of Justice A.S. Oka and Ujjwal Bhuya gave this very important judgment and some very important, very landmark observation made during the hearing, wherein the top court ruled that maternity leave is integral to the maternity benefit and the reproductive rights as part of international human rights and also right to freedom, equality and privacy. So Supreme Court cited many international laws and came up with such kind of very important observations. Here, the top court overturned Madras High Court's ruling and that had denied maternity leave to a Tamil Nadu school teacher because she was already a mother of 2 children from a previous marriage, and this was her second marriage, and she was pregnant with a 3rd child. And here the Supreme Court held that Article 21, which is right to life and a very important fundamental right of Indian Constitution, court cited Article 21 of Constitution and said that right to life, which include right to health and reproductive choice. So here Supreme Court in a way interpreted Article 21 of Indian Constitution and said reproductive choice is a very important part of right to health, which is an integral part of Article 21 of Indian Constitution. And also the Supreme Court directed the teacher to be granted maternity leave under Fundamental Rule 101 Clause A and ordered that all admissible benefits be released to her within 2 months. So this is a very important judgment of Justice A.S. Oak and Ujjwal Bhuya. And remember, Justice Ajay A.S. Oka's last day was yesterday. So that was his last working day, and he came up with such a landmark ruling in the Supreme Court. And Supreme Court also emphasized that women in general now constitute a sizable portion of workforce and must be treated with honor and dignity, and set aside High Court's order.
All right, Sambhav. On that note, thank you very much for adding more details. Now, shifting our focus to the top story, where the Delhi government's Directorate